Out here today with Murray Crabb fishing on a bit of a trout trip. We're going to be heading up the river in the background there. It's some pretty small water and we don't know how much we can go up it, but we're going to give that a crack first off and then from there move around and see what we can find. Alright, make sure you subscribe to the channel for some more content and jump over and have a look at the Murray Crabb fishing channel as well. Let's get to it. There we go, guys. We're into the water here now. As you probably worked out, this is a different river. We're getting ready and oh, we've got a hook up in the background. He's on.
That's what you want for an intro?
Yeah. Anyway, so there's clearly trout here. We've jumped in this one. There was an unforeseen road closure at the other spot. So we were actually asked to sort of move on. So we've had to go for a bit of an explore and find a different river. It looks like we're onto a good one there. Oh geez, this is chilly. Oh, I do not envy you in shorts there.
Oh, fuck.
There we go.
Oh,
it's my turn.
Your turn. I'll give up.
It was on a leaf.
Oh, don't you hate that? Oh, he's got one. Hawksy's on. And I left my net in the car.
I got mine.
First fish. Brown trout.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Settle down. Jeez, mate.
Is that your second cast?
Into there it was. He hit it just on that rock. But I think he might have followed it out. Jeez, they're pretty fishing here, aren't they?
Doesn't it look gorgeous?
He's there. Oh,
Into your legs.
he's on my foot. Oh, oh, what the? That is so small.
Oh. Followed down that corner?
Yeah. Oh, I'm talking like this.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
That's a bow, I think.
Pardon?
No, it's not. That was sitting just in the front of this. Oh my god. I cannot get to it to net it. I cast over 2 logs.
I took the wrong path. You've got fish on your side. That is a nice looking fish, isn't it?
Off you go.
Beautiful done.
Clearly a very wild fish.
Yeah, but that's pretty much exactly where I pulled him from, just coming down here. And then, bang, he's on.
Oh!
Really?
Oh, come on.
Did he?
Yeah.
Man, there's fish here everywhere.
That's the thing I love about streams with so many fishes. Like, he was sitting just there.
So many fishes.
1 fish, 2 fishes.
3 fishes. It's not as popular on YouTube these days.
It's really not, eh?
Yeah.
Like, that's why I stopped doing it as much. But I do love it.
Oh, man, no. Absolutely.
Alright, guys. What that means is, if you want to see more of us fishing in trout streams, share the heck out of these videos.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Please.
Oh, missed him.
Oh, okay. There's the one I just got there. Just had one that missed up ahead. Off he goes. Yeah. Can we walk to that like shallow patch, please?
The big rock here.
Yeah.
That actually physically hurt my knees.
Yeah, it's really, I'm stinging. So on today's episode of Hawksy Fishing, we have 2 blokes in a stream bitching about how cold it is.
two blokes with hypothermia.
Oh!
Really?
Yeah. As I was lifting it out of the water.
Oh no. Oh!
Did you just try to, you try to launch him?
No, I was pulling the same thing. I was about to pull the lure out and... Oh, don't die here, please. I've got too many more trout to go on.
I mean, that makes 2 of us thinking don't die here, please.
Yeah.
For very different reasons, I'm sure.
You don't want to drag my body out. Or come over here to get my keys to get
Yeah, yeah. If you're gonna die, do it somewhere where I can get to. Oh, yep.
Got him.
Alright, I don't really mind if I land this one or not. Which side of that stick you on?
Well done, mate. Did you get him from the backwater?
Up there, yeah. He's a real baby. I reckon that could actually take smallest of the day.
You look at 4 each time, aren't you?
Oh. We don't actually need to clear these blackberries. He's just angry.
One of them pricked me.
Oh, come on, bud, come on. No, he spooked.
He spooked, came straight down to me.
Yeah, he overtook the lure and I'm like, no, that's not right. He just meandered along behind the lure.
No, he was there. There was no urgency in the way that fish moved at all.
Yep.
Got him. Fox is flogging me. I have had, I reckon, without a word of a lie, I've had more attention, and Foxy has had, what, a 99% conversion rate.
It's not that high. There you go, bud. Oh.
Might have to go down with a small low.
Yeah.
Got him.
He's on.
Oh, that was on the land. I got that on the rock. That's the
Things are getting desperate. Oh. Yep. This guy swiped at it, I reckon. Under the chin. Real little one there. Got my thumb in there to help get the lure out. Off you go, bud. Oh no.
What happened?
Fouled.
Oh really? Oh, you had a follow.
Yeah.
Pale stripe down the side. Oh.
Oh, I saw him. Yes.
Oh, are you still there? No.
He's gone between my legs.
No, he's sitting in front of you. He's in between your legs. He's sitting in between. He might have drifted. He drifted through your legs, facing upstream. Shit. On it. Oh, did you see that?
Nah, I saw that.
He touched it, but he didn't, he touched it, but he didn't want to grab it.
Had a bit of a bite to eat. Tripod set up. Oh geez, can I grab him? I don't know if I can grab him.
That might help warm us up.
Change lures for you. Trying to get the rock hard dizzy scent out of the tube. And it's cold.
That's how cold it is here. Oh, come on.
I've just stepped in the water again, so I can't feel my feet. Yep. Pretty little brown. One.
Got him.
Yay! Oh, I'm in a stick.
Oh! I still dropped him. I got him onto here though. So I'm going to count him as well. Got him on land, man.
Jeez. Oh! Look at it!
He got it.
He's tiny!
He's still there. He didn't spook. He's there. Can you see him?
Yeah, I can. I'm trying to swim that out. Dude, that is proper tiny.
That was good profile, all the rest.
Yep. Oh, that was a good fish.
You reckon?
I saw him, man. He gave a flash when he hit it. Like, I actually got weight on him. Oh, that is frustrating. That was the best fish of the trip. It hasn't had a chance for the slippery stuff to grow on it, but it's still slippery.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Remember that we're above the river?
Yeah.
I'm in the river. Well, this is going to be interesting to get around.
What's it like that side?
Bouldery. Yeah, be careful this way, but you can do it. Filming. I just caught that guy. Gonna let him go. That's such a shame. It was the best fish for a while, and it was a decent take too.
Ooh.
Follow?
Hit.
You're on.
Got him.
That's a better fish.
That fish.
Yeah. Yep.
Your line's just hitting me. Get in there, buddy. I can't land. Deeper water.
He's a buck.
Starting to get a bit of a kite.
He's got a hook jaw.
How cool is it how small they get that hook jaw in these streams?
Yeah, right. It's funny as.
Oh, yep.
Oxy's on as well.
Not as big, I don't think.
Productive stream, a productive little spot. It's not bad though. Oh, come on.
That's how you know to fish. Check out the adipose on that guy there. Real orange and red spotty. Awesome looking fish.
Out.
It hit, like, there we go. On.
No.
Did change. Honestly, he hit it and shook his head and didn't hook up. I saw him come up and just go clunk, shake, shake, let go, swim off.
Done a bit of a lure change here. I've stuck with the same profile actually, just changed colour. And Kingsley's, what is it, a Predatech Min Min?
Predatech Min Min.
So something, you haven't used them before?
No.
Yeah, it's something new there. I'm stuck with what I was using because I am landing fish still. So it's really hard to go away from the lure.
Ooh. That's not a good noise. I'll try and make room for you on this.
Oh no, this is so much heavier than everything else I've thrown today. It weighs a ton.
Bit of an updraft.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Did you just see what that did?
Is that a proper loop around?
Oh yeah, man, that's around. That's around the world. I might be changing lures.
Hang on, just.
No, you're right.
Yep.
Got him.
Can't tell you if the new colour did it or not, but it catches fish.
Foxy's got another one. They severely underestimated the casting ability of a way heavier lure.
Oh, yeah.
And I ended up in the tree.
Nice little trout there.
Well done, Hawksy.
Oh, look at that. Thread the needle.
You've got it. You've got a fish. You've got it.
Again, I've sent wake up it.
You got follow, you got
Oh!
He's on it, he's on it. Two. You've got two. You have two fish following your lure. One of them turned, is right in front of me. Like literally right in front of me. There was two trout on that.
It was a nice cast. The problem was, hit.
Hit it. He went back in. He didn't follow you.
I've got to go closer to this log because I couldn't get my, like you saw it waking on the surface. If it was deeper, I would have got one, I reckon.
Oh.
This colour doesn't seem to go too badly. It's really hard to directly compare though. Like, would that fish have hit harder and hooked up on the other colour?
Would it have catch the other lure? Yeah, would it not have catch the other lure?
Like, yep. How's things?
Oh yeah, great. I'm totally stuck in this tree.
I'm totally stuck in this mud. I'm not gonna...
It's hard for me to catch a fish in the middle tree. But this stretch of water, I stood up on the bank. As you guys would have seen, because I think I was recording when I fell from my leg.
This is the first one. He's hooked middle treble in the mouth.
Right, so I fell through and hurt my leg. 4 fish in one hole.
Oh, he's off.
And I was here.
Still? Oh, I'm on.
He was just talking to me about how he spent the time fishing this and didn't catch anything. Turns around, looks at me, not even watching what he's doing, and then looks back and goes, oh, I'm on.
There's that one there. Nice little fish.
There we go, little brownie trout. Off he goes. Lovely.
There he is. He's just here. He's behind me.
He's about to swim into your leg.
I can't see him for the glare now.
Don't move. He's between you. He came out the front of your legs.
What the heck?
The video, the trout I just caught swung up between.
There he is. It's going back.
Up between Hawksy's legs and turned around and swam off. It literally breached itself. Between
It breached
his
itself
legs.
just there. Yep. Oh, this is better.
What did I say? I think you get one out there. I'll go on and do it.
That's not a bad fish. There we go. Another nice trout. It's a slow deep pool. I don't know about it. Yep.
It's a slow trout. You sure it's not an eel?
I thought I had one for a sec. I literally can't, like... I like that. I don't know about it. Hey! Yeah, look. that's all I'm standing on there.
Here's your fish.
Finishes up day one of the Murray Crab trip. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the Murray Crab fishing channel, and check out his version of the day as well. And hang around for day two. It should be an absolute cracker. We're going to go back to that first river that we got kicked out of at the start of day one.